All right, so we're gonna set our upper and lower limits, and if you have your garage door locked, you wanna make sure, obviously, that you undo that. All right, so our next step is to open up the garage door and get it locked into place. Now, we really wanna have this piece right here in about the middle position, because when we're setting our upper and lower limits for the door, we wanna make sure that it's not already at one of those limits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, pull that to the side so that re-engages the carriage, and then we're gonna lift the door until it locks into place. All right, so we're gonna set our down limit first, and what we wanna do is we wanna press and hold the down arrow button, and the long LED will light blue. So that would be the minus button. So we're gonna hold it, and you should see that it's blue, and it is blinking, okay? Once it's flashing blue, then we can use the minus button to set the door down. Okay, now I'm just gonna keep hitting this until I get the door down. And we wanna make sure that the gasket on the bottom is compressed a little bit. So that's kind of locked in place, and it's forcing that seal down. Okay, now that we have that lower limit set, we wanna press this program set button and hold that. And then you'll notice both the lights will come on and then they'll go off. So all we need to do now is set the upper limit. So we're gonna hold the plus button, which is the right button. You'll see it blinking. And then all we need to do to raise the door is to hold that. All right, now to set the upper limit, you basically just want the bottom of the door level with the header. All right, so you see we're all the way back, and you'll see that the garage door is level with the header here. Now we're gonna hit that same set program button once more. We'll see both lights come on again, and then they'll shut off. And the upper and lower limits are now programmed.